Alright guys, with quarantine on fire since couple of weeks and it doesn't seem like the gym will open soon. So here are a few tips on how to maintain your strength and conditioning till the time the quarantine mode is on. So first is to eat adequate amount of protein and your multivitamin supplements. Know that even if you're not training as hard as you used to, but still your body requires that much amount of protein in order to maintain the strength. So, and many people are telling me that they don't feel like eating, and even I don't feel like eating, but in order to maintain the strength you will have to eat the daily required amount, which is around 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kg body weight. Second is to try and make your workouts as hard as possible. That be it work with tempo, work with number of sets, reps, or change in exercise. Like from bilateral movements like squats, you can go to single leg pistol squats, lunges, and use any or every thing as an equipment which is there at your home. Be creative, be innovative. Third is to hit the heart rate, which is like very important. I know that people who are into serious lifting or who practice their sports daily, it's very difficult to be at home and hit the same heart rate at the same intensity without the proper environment or the practice. But try and do like any high intense workout or just do some short sprints if possible to try and achieve that heart rate, and don't overdo it. Okay, but it is very important to maintain your conditioning level with that. Fourth is to practice drills. In almost all the sports there are some kinds of drills which are practiced, so it's very important to keep doing those drills at this period. Do it more if you want, because it lacks the intensity, it lacks the proper environment. And also along with it is the another most important thing is to visualize your practice sessions, visualize your math sessions as if like you are playing in a tournament. Visualization is being practiced by athletes on a regular basis and seems to work very well, especially with the athletes who are injured or like who can't practice due to any other reasons. And research has shown that it is almost like as good as practicing on field, so don't miss out on that. Fifth is to study about your sports and training as much as possible. Do all kinds of research, write down questions which come to your mind and try and find out answers for those things. Know about your sport, watch your sport a lot, and make notes. That will help you. Last but not the least, and the most important thing is, guys, to still stick to your routine. In the sense, try and still do the things same way as you used to, like your meal timings, your sleep timings, your practice timings. Stay on the course, guys, because once this quarantine ends, I feel that everything is going to be rushed, all the tournaments, in order to catch up with the events which have been delayed. So, and you got to be prepared for it. Like you can't just because you're home and everything is shut, the world is shut at the moment, you can't just get laid back and chill about things. Okay, pressure is going to be hell lot once the quarantine ends, so be prepared for it. Cheers.